guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be installing a wig, and this one is so easy to install and looks so amazing, so definitely keep watching. First, I'm going to go ahead and put this stocking cap on, and I'm not going to glue it on. I'm definitely not going to be doing a ball cap, just set it on my hair, that's it. The wig I'm going to be installing today is from this company called VShow, and this is definitely not my first time working with them. In the package with the wig, I got this stocking cap, which is always needed because I use them so often. This is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It is a 4x4 lace wig, and I have to say that on camera it looks a tad bit more vibrant than it does in person, but nevertheless it's a beautiful wig, especially for fall, and I am super duper in love with it. It is so soft and silky, and the length of it is 26 inches. And as for the color, I will leave that in the description box below because I cannot say off the top of my head right now. So on the inside, it has two clips in the side, one in the top of it and another one in the back. It also has a lace on the back that I'm gonna be cutting off before putting the wig onto my head. I'm also going to be adding some foundation onto the lace to give it a more natural look on the scalp area. And I'm going to add some of that foundation only on the middle area of my stocking cap. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the foundation off that got onto my forehead. To do this, I'm gonna be using some rubbing alcohol. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set it in place where I want it before I secure it down onto my head. To secure it onto my head, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray as usual. I'm going to spray it on in a few layers before putting the lace down on it. And even if you don't see me do that on camera, I'm definitely doing that. And by layers, what I mean is I'm going to spray it on, dry it, spray it on again, dry it again, and for the third time when I spray it on, I'm going to put the lace down on it before drying it. Now I'm going to put the lace down on it and then dry it some more with the blow dryer, and I'm going to keep holding it in place until I feel like it's dry completely. The Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray doesn't take as long as the regular lace glue to dry, and that's the reason why I like using it so much. Just to make sure that it's completely dry, I'm tying down the lace and let it sit there for about 10 or so minutes, because sometimes it feels like it's completely dry, but it may not be. So just to be sure, I'm doing that. And this is something I like to do when I'm doing my lace wig. So now it's super dry and I know it's not going anywhere. I can go ahead and cut the lace off of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and give myself a center part. Before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges using some mousse, and while they are drying, I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of the hair. So what I'm doing is I'm taking out a small section of the hair, and then I make the little edges from it and brush it right back into the rest of the wig. And this is how I normally do my edges. I never cut them, and I have my reasons for that, but if you feel more comfortable cutting them before you you know, lay them, then you could go ahead and do it like that. But this is how I do it. So this is, what I'm comfortable with. Now I'm adding some mousse onto my parting, and this is gonna help me to part my hair straighter and make the hair around the parting lay down much better. Now I'm using my hot comb to lay the hair around the parting down much better, and now you could see the parting start to show up even clearer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my entire hair with my flat iron, and this will be the last thing I do with my hair before I reveal the finished look to you guys. And here you have it, guys, the final look. This hair is giving what it's supposed to be given, because I am so feeling myself right now. The color is absolutely stunning. I was really scared when I saw it, I'm not gonna lie, because of how bright and how vibrant it was on camera. But I got an assignment to do, and your girl came through because she understood the assignment. The hair texture is super soft and silky, and I haven't been experiencing no shredding with it, so that's definitely a plus. And here's a quick look at the back. How gorgeous is that hair? I wasn't able to show the full length of the hair in the video, so at the end I will definitely try to leave some pictures so you guys could see the length of it on me. Again, the name of the company where this hair is from is VShow, and I'll leave all the information on the hair down in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!